empowering AI development with no-code tools. Imagine building your own AI tool without writing a single line of code. Sounds impossible? Well, no-code AI development is here to change everything. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI, you can now build powerful AI applications without needing to learn complex programming. So how does it work? And what tools can you use? Let's break it down. What is no-code? No-code AI is exactly what it sounds like, creating AI-powered applications without coding skills. It allows anyone to automate tasks, analyze data, and even build chatbots, image generators, and AI-powered apps, all using simple drag-and-drop interfaces. In short, no-code AI makes machine learning and automation accessible to everyone. You don't need years of programming experience, just the right tools. Why no-code AI is a game changer. Here's why no-code AI is the future. Accessibility. Anyone can use it, from students to businesses. Speed. Build AI models in minutes instead of months. Cost-effective. No need to hire expensive developers. Automation. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time. Now let's look at some of the best no-code AI tools you can start using today. Segment 3. Top no-code AI tools you need to try. ChatGPT and Claude AI. Create AI chatbots for customer support and automation. 2. Bubble.io. Build AI-powered web apps without coding. 3. Train and test the AI. Many no-code platforms guide you step by step. 4. Launch and automate. Once it works, integrate it into your workflow. It's that easy, and you don't need to write a single line of code. The rise of no-code AI is not just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. As AI continues to evolve, more people, regardless of their technical background, will be able to innovate, automate, and create without barriers. This means entrepreneurs can build AI-powered startups, educators can design smart learning systems, and businesses can streamline operations with AI-driven automation. The possibilities are limitless, and we are just scratching the surface of what's possible. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, now is the time to start experimenting with no-code AI tools. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, enhance creativity, or automate tasks, there's an AI solution waiting for you. So why wait? Subscribe to AI Planet for more insights, tutorials, and the latest AI breakthroughs. Your journey into the future starts now. No-code AI is revolutionizing how we build technology, making AI development faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. So are you ready to create your own AI-powered tool? If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more AI insights and tutorials. Join the future. Subscribe to AI Planet now.